Did we blow up the bomb?
Which is not what you want.
Yeah.
Okay. That's sort of the idea.
Did we die?
Did it go boom? No, actually they disarmed it.
Oh,
they picked
okay.
the right.
Oh.
I'm impressed.
I thought we just blew up or something. We blew ourselves up somehow.
Yeah, and what's neat is like, yeah, it'll say if they disarmed or if it exploded. So.
Okay.
And then this round we'll play it out so it's not as quick.
Oh, I was just gonna like hit the red button a bunch of times.
I know, but that's just the speaker.
Damn it.
I know. It looks like.
So I just break it then by accident.
Where are you going? That way.
I lend you my bag, you lend me your bag.
Gone. One down. Long gun. Sneaky guy. Sneaky. One down in blue, middle. Do we have it?
Yeah, we have bunker.
Okay.
We have bunker.
One down, far left, wearing black.
Coming through.
They're behind you. Howdy. I'm gonna move in front of you. Yeah. Good shot.
Hey, bro,
That seems to be clear.
Yeah.
right side and behind the stumps, left side, fast, close. Right side! Logan, you're up front. Henry, you're up front, let's go.
Well. Dead.
Nice.
Yeah.
On the
Your grenade?
No. That's probably one of these guys behind us. Good shit.
Yeah, usually. I ran out of ammo right there at the end, that's why I laid down.
Yeah. Yeah, it teaches you how it goes.
Yeah.
Well, it's nice to see them add a little bomb action into our normal trench game. I tried to find it near the end there, but I guess it just ended up being some dude in a corner smashing buttons hoping it doesn't blow up, causing our team to lose. We held down the fort while he tried to do so either way. And I'm sure you noticed Sasha's back at the field as she's shaking off the rust. Had to sprinkle in some of her footage, of course. Alright folks, till next time.